So Alpha Wave Wellness Health has created a program that brings the teachings of the ancient wisdoms presented by incredible teachers that have been studying in this field for many, many years. We've gathered these teachers together, and we have over 200 years of study and practice in the group of teachers, instructors that you are going to have the privilege of practicing with. We've divided the topics into paths of a journey leading to wellness, and each path includes it's a journey in itself. So there's meditation and breath. So since that is included in all of the practices, we have a special class on each one of them. And then we have the class on Tai Chi and Qigong and yoga, Yin Yoga, which is incredible. And the reason that we've done this is so that we can bring these health benefits to you. And right now, it's in your home, but at sometime in the future, it will also be live classes. Because we know that these things increase our vitality, they reduce pain, they improve our immune system, and they help our circulation, our breathing, our heart, our lymphatic system, our digestive function. They reduce stress, which is a major cause of illness. And I know a lot of you and a lot of us go to gyms, take walks, and these are all great. But these are very intensive modalities that point us in the direction of wellness.